Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we will do chapter 14, that is understanding three-dimensional shapes. Students, this chapter is to be covered under alternate academic calendar, that is AAC. So we will be doing one activity regarding this chapter which will help you in understanding the three-dimensional shapes. In this chapter, we will learn about the three-dimensional shapes like cube, cuboid, right circular cylinder, right circular cone, prism, sphere and pyramid. See students, here are some three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures means figures having length, breadth and height. For length, breadth and height, you should know about the faces, vertices and edges. So see, I am giving you one example also. See, you can see this. This is my power bank and it is cuboid. It is having 12 edges. You can count the edges. See, 1, these are the edges. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the edges. The lines that you see, these lines, these are the edges. And it has 8 vertices. Vertices means the corners. See, you can count the number of corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the corners. So a cuboid has 12 vertices, 12 edges, 8 vertices. And then faces. It has two faces are of two types. One is plane face and one is curved face. See, plane faces means these faces. See, 1 and downwards 2. Then here 3, this one, and here 4. Then here this one 5 and here this one 6. So a cuboid has 12 edges, 8 vertices, 6 plane faces and curved faces, no curved face, 0 curved face. Now I take another example of this lemon. This lemon you can see it is a sphere. It is a sphere and it has a lemon has no edges. You cannot see any edges here. It has no vertices. It has no face. It has only plane face, no plane face, only one curved face. You can see only one curved face. So in sphere, it has only one curved face. Rest edges, vertices and plane faces are 0. Same ways, come to the next three-dimensional shape. See, you can see here, this is my water bottle. It is cylindrical in shape. This is my water bottle. It is cylindrical in shape. And it has 2 edges, 2 vertices and one curve. So it has 2 edges, no vertices, 2 plane faces and one curved face. See, you can see this 2 plane faces. One plane face here and one plane face here. Okay, one curved face. This is the one curved face. You can see this curved face. This is the one curved face. Students, like this, you have to collect any 5 items from your surroundings. You have to collect any 5 items from your surroundings. In the Zoom class, you will be sitting with any 5 items of three-dimensional figures, three-dimensional shapes from your surrounding, like the one that I have shown you, and then you will be telling me about its vertices, edges and faces. And then you will make a chart. First of all, you will write the name of the figure. Suppose you have taken dice. The shape of the figure is cube. Number of faces is 6, number of vertices is 8 and number of edges is 12. Suppose next thing you have taken ball. Then you will write its shape, it is sphere. Then you will write here number of faces, number of edges and number of vertices. Like this, you will write 5 items, but you have to write those items only that you are having in the Zoom class. The same items you will write here, you will write the shape and this table you have to draw on a piece of paper and then you have to paste it in your notebook also. Thank you Shemstars. If you have any queries regarding this activity, you can contact me directly on my phone number.